Good morning, teacher. My name is Lorena Quiñones. Communicator at Street Video promotes a login. Welcome to the garden cabin. Approximately 2 hours from Bucaramanga via San Hill, we'll find our beautiful resting flats of approximately 1,900 square meters. With every set you need to spend your stay a couple or family enjoy the fresh air of nature. Bedrooms. Room 1. We can find her with one double bed. Room 2. We can find her with two individuals bed. Bathroom. Cleaning products, a hot water, social bathroom. What's the place offer? Pets allow Wi-Fi, free on-site parking, available for long stay, allow stay on 28 days or more. Fully equipped kitchen, TV area, meal, grilling utensils, grill, charcoal, iron, joystick. Activity. How about play outside? Perfect rest area to watch the sunset. Enjoy a wonderful campfire. Enjoy nature while you walk and ride your bike. Amenity. Independence Street, Red Zone. Price that people can find 115,000 pesos. Ain't it? Thank you, teacher.